Just push it. Is it on? Want to be able to got boogers or anything like that?
No. I don't.
What are we doing? We're in Brentwood doing a two-tone custom composite screened-in porch, right? Okay. Called two-tone custom composite stair system with the trex system. All right. So. These kickers are the first things that go on right here, right? And they have to be cut long along on the outside with returns on both sides of them, like these. You see these small returns right here? So what we're gonna do is measure from the outside to the outside right here. You see you have 45.5 inches. You have your measurement. I'm gonna go ahead and cut your first bevel.
45 degrees.
Flip your product around, mark on the top of the board, 45.5 inches. You want to make sure
Your saw blade is on the correct side of the mark. You can jack up some expensive material really quick.
that's your piece. Now for your returns, you want to take a piece about 1 foot long, cut an outside 45 on one side, flip your material, cut an outside 45 on the other side, and then take it down to that line right there. You can square it up. So what these guys are using is a 23 gauge pin nailer to install these returns on both these sides. You want to go ahead and put your returns on before it'll eliminate you from running
Any serious problems. See what how nice and pretty that is on the outside right there.
Put that shot at the top first.
We can time lapse this too, make it look really fast. Boom.
All right, so your next step is going to be measuring from the back here to the front of this side here. And what we have here is 11 5/8. You're going to cut that square to long, 45 degrees, and go ahead and install that. Your next step is going to be to measure the front. The first piece that we put on, the kicker, it's going to be the same length, 45.5 inches. You're going to cut that long to long on 45 degrees. And here we go, 45.5, and that's your front. Dry fit it, pop it down with the finish nailer, and then pre-drill and put T25 color match screws in. Go ahead and start pre-drilling. Next thing you're going to do is pre-drill your Trex T20 color match screws. All right? And you want to countersink those babies up flush with the top, just like this. Boom. I'll get a shot of the holes here. That's what it looks like before the screws go in. You definitely want to make sure that you pre-drill those screws, or you're going to have major problems. They do not go in easy.